How to connect Lovable to Supabase. Now, this process is very easy and straightforward. All you have to do at first is to make sure that you have logged in into your Lovable account and as well as your Supabase. So it should be two specific tabs on one browser. And from here, once you've successfully logged in into your Lovable account, all you have to do is to access the settings of your current project, or you can just head straight into settings. And from here at your left portion, you should see Workspace, Account, and Integrations. So head straight into Integrations field and click on Supabase. And here under Organizations, just simply click on Connect Supabase, and you will be asked to log in into your Supabase account. And once you've given authorized API access from your Lovable account, all you need to do is just to simply follow on-screen prompts for you to successfully connect your Lovable account into Supabase or vice versa. And that's it. That's how you connect Lovable to Supabase.